big bowlers. He's played it back onto his stumps. Would you believe it? Would you believe it? It's Tony who has to depart. And now Pakistan will believe.
The Pakistanis are absolutely delighted, and the Indian captain, he's gone for 56.
Ravindra Jadeja comes out to the middle. It's gone through. Poor bit of fielding. Has it been pulled back? They will pick up 3.
Now this is an interesting conversation that Shahid Afridi is having with the 2 umpires. I don't know whether it's regarding the change of the ball, whether something is seen on the field, complaining about something, onto your nerves.
Raina halfway down the pitch. A direct hit would have been gone. Good bouncer. Will be 1 for the over.
In conversation with Shahid Afridi.
He's bowled him. The one delivery that he bowls so very well. Ajmal.
Undone by a flat delivery, came down the track once again, a needless motion. Another Indian wicket falls, gone for 6, it's 219 for 6.
Harbhajan Singh is the new batsman. Has gone through, it'll be 4. Much required boundary for Raina and India.
Beautiful placement from Suresh Raina. Use of the pace from Saeed Ajmal. It was the dusra, the attempted dusra, exposing the stumps and creating.
Big appeal. Willie Bowden not impressed.
Going down the leg side.
Up and over. Let's go on the distance. 6 to end the over.
Majestic 6, flatter from Saeed Ajmal. Not learning from the hussy beating that he got. Great hit.
Harbhajan Singh finds the man at mid wicket.
Waiting for that length. And yes.
Magnificent, it's out of here. Picked it over the length, Harbhajan Singh.
That went over long on for a gigantic 6. As easy as that. They can't believe it. They're waiting for the ball to go across the line, which it did, and Shoaib Akhtar could only watch it sail over the rope. Pressure on Pakistan. 30 from 22 balls.
Once again finding the fielder. That was a slow delivery in the over. 241 for 6.
Yorker slow deliveries may be the off.
Wants to decide against it, and rightly so. This would be a playing for the Micromax Asia Cup. Harbhajan Singh will just get 1.
Absorb the pressure. It's all about pressure and tension.
It's timed it well. Extremely well. Almost a Yorker, but easily put away. That's class.
This because this really was a glorious shot. Camping on his back foot, wrist, height.
He'll take the single and keep stride, Suresh Raina. 252 for 6. Up and over. fielder trying to get underneath it. What a cricketer. Under pressure, and he's pulled out a beauty.
Over square leg. Shoaib Akhtar is pretty swift, but he made it look like a medium pace on that occasion. Terrific strike.
Yet following the batsman, looking more runs, he'll look for two. Harbhajan didn't want the two. 8 required from 10.
This game is going to the wire. From a victory, India.
Another very good delivery. Another dot ball. Another dot ball. Harbhajan Singh not a happy man with the last couple of deliveries in the previous over. Maybe the height factor is what he was talking about.
A little altercation, or should we say a few pleasantries exchanged between Shoaib Akhtar and Harbhajan Singh. The discussion took place, or what a knock he's playing.
That's just the call, it'll be just the run. Raina wants the signal, directed. Didn't think they'll have the man. Billy Doctor has gone upstairs.
At the leg umpire. Yes. Possibly, yes, the stumps are broken to get India across the line. They may go on to win this even now without him. But India certainly has been dented big time. Raina gone for 34, 262 for 7.
Praveen Kumar is the new batsman. The fielder in the deep akhatar. Fumble. They get two.
That's criminal at this stage. Shahid Afridi, clearly it's do or die for Pakistan, and they're fumbling at a very important time. Every run,
one hit away from a win. Will be one.
What a game we've had. The best to last the distance and the weak-hearted to fall. Needs to strike big for India to win it.
And there it is! Harbhajan Singh has done it for India. Look at him celebrate. Came from right off the middle of the bat. And what a feeling. India beating Pakistan, but in a very, very close finish.